Hello, good afternoon. Today is June 17, 2025, and today I'm gonna update my persimmon plant. This is our persimmon. So it look like this one, and this is the brand called Fuyu persimmon. This one here. Right here, that's a Fuyu persimmon, and I'm gonna the tree look like big of the tree. So it's not so big, not too small. It's a medium size. So that's a Fuyu persimmon right there. And also, I'm gonna update you my strawberry. This is Albanian strawberry and seascape strawberry. So this one line they're doing. See, this is the seascape strawberry, and also my tomato. It's right here. See my tomato? This is the Roma tomato right here, and this one is the vine tomato, or I grow it from a seed. So this is the tomato. It's very red already right here. Where's it gonna be the angle of the jingle? So right here it's very red already. It's ripe. So this is my tomato plant. So the tomato is very ripe. See right there. It's the tomato. See the other trellis I have. So they're gonna ripe soon. It's been raining here. So this is different kind of tomato. It's for putting in the sandwich and hamburgers. Also, I'm gonna show you today my jujube. So this is the jujube. This one. See. So this is the jujube right there. So you would know if it's ripe because they have a brown spot here. So, and that's the jujube. Bye.